Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick little Christmas video for you. I'll show you the Christmas tree in a minute, but what I'm going to be doing is something that our dad used to do when we were kids. It's a great little project. I have some construction paper. I've cut it up in strips here. Now, he had a staple gun that we used when we were kids. I don't have that, but I do have, like I said, I have scotch tape, and I'm going to make my own Christmas decorations. I like doing this because, if I've got this stuff already, it's fun to do, and, if I don't want to go to the store and buy anything, I think this gives a little more home look. So I'm going to do a little bit of this taping up. I'll show you that process, and then I'll probably wrap up the video by putting the decoration on the tree. You can't help. Nope, you can't help. You can't help me. Come on, come on, come on. All right, this is what I have so far. We're going to see how this fits. What I did is I cut up, I think there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors into thin strips. So let's take this to the Christmas tree and see how much we have to work with. All right, so this is the Christmas tree. Let's light this up a little bit. Alright, so I think if I do one more set, that will be plenty to go around. I'm just trying to fill in because, yes, it's an artificial Christmas tree and it's a little bit sparse, but I think if I put some of these on, it'll add a little something special to it. Alright, I will do one more set and we'll see how that looks. Alright, let's see if we can finish putting the home decorations up. I think it's going to look pretty nice when it's done. I think I'm going to be able to do come back down to cover some more areas too. Alright, so that's all set. Alright, a little bit of scotch tape, construction tape, scissors, and little extra decoration for the tree. Let me see if it looks better with the light out. Alright, I know it's probably a little dark in the video at the moment, but I hope you like my little Christmas decorating video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.